Power, control, obedience. Many believe these are the qualities of a strong leader. But too much power can destroy the leader, the team, and even an entire nation. Today we are learning from one of the history's most extreme examples, Adolf Hitler. Not to praise him, but to understand leadership mistakes. Autocratic leadership may look strong on the outside, but inside it is full of cracks. Let's see why. In autocratic leadership, one person makes all the decisions, the leader commands, the followers obey. This style can bring quick results in emergencies or disciplined environment. But here is the danger. When one person controls everything, one mistake can destroy everything. Hitler rose to power during a crisis. When Germany was suffering economically and emotionally, he promised strength and stability, and millions followed. But his leadership was based on the idea that the leader is always right. No questions, no disagreements, fear replaced honesty, and fear kills truth. When people are afraid to speak, bad news never reaches the leader. Hitler's minister told him only what he wanted to hear. Reality was filtered. He believed success was everywhere, while the truth was hidden. A leader who cannot hear the truth cannot make the right decisions. Hitler ignored experts, underestimated enemies, and refused to step back even when defeat was obvious. The result: mass destruction, loss of millions of lives, and the collapse of Nazi Germany. So, what does this teach us today? A leader must listen, a leader must allow disagreements, a leader must face reality even when it is painful. Honest feedback protects success. Leadership is not about fear. Leadership is about making better decisions. And better decisions come from truth, not silence. Hitler had power, but he lacked truth. And without truth, leadership fails. So remember, if you ever become a leader of a team, a company, or a country, surround yourself with people who speak honestly, not just what you want to hear. Because when leaders stop listening, their downfall begins. If you learned something valuable today, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more leadership and management case studies. Thank you for watching.